This is a quick knee pain relief tip for you. So if you are noticing that you're getting pain and discomfort around the outside of the knee, lower thigh, this is something that you could try so that you can go on with your workouts, go on with your runs. Just remember though that it's always a good idea to go check with your therapist to double check to see if things are in working order. But this might help. I use this myself when I'm at the gym and I'm noticing that I'm getting some discomfort around the outside of the knee. So this is a pressure point. It might help in regards to if you're getting pain when you're doing things such as the squats, lunges, leg extensions, running, anything with the lower extremities, and you're finding that pain and discomfort around the outside. And it's annoying because it'll prevent you from doing the exercises potentially properly. You might have to stop, slow down, whatever you're doing. So this pressure point is located just above the knee. You can see there by that X that I posted there. So if you follow the most lateral, the most outer quadricep, there's a dip at the end. This dip lies about an inch, half an inch right above the kneecap where that X is. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your thumb, your knuckle, or some sort of rounded blunt object, and you're going to put pressure around that area with your knee extended. And by the way, to find the spot, it's better if your knee is extended, not fully extended where you're hyperextending the knee, but there should be a slight bend. And it's a lot easier when you follow that the lateral thigh muscle, the vas lateralis muscle, and you'll find that dip. It almost feels like it's rounded. You might find that you kind of roll over it. If you check the outside of the opposite leg, the opposite knee, you'll find that there's a bit of a difference in regards to how that side feels relative to the side that doesn't have the issue. So you're going to take your thumb, your knuckle, or some sort of blunted, rounded object, and you're going to find that spot. And it'll be tender, and it might refer into the kneecap. So you're going to put pressure on that area for about 30 seconds to about 1 minute. And what should happen is that it should start fading slowly, the pain and the discomfort. Once that pain subsides, what you're going to do is you can see up here, this picture there, you're going to do a quadricep stretch, hold that for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then you're going to repeat. Sometimes what will happen is that the pressure point won't release the area there, and you'll still feel the pain. What I suggest is stopping and doing the stretch, holding it for a bit longer, and then going back to it. Mind you, if that area is really knotted up, you will need somebody to go in there and actually just dig in, especially if you've waited so long in regards to waiting to get treatment, because sometimes that happens. You kind of like have things going on in life, and you kind of forget to go in and you leave it to the side. It might be something that's third on the list, fourth on the list, but you need to go in there and get that checked, because what will happen is that, as you know, particularly those runners and those endurance athletes and those guys and girls that work out at the gym and they're very, very strict on their routines, that this can be prolonged if you're not taking care of it. So again, this is a quick knee pain relief tip. It may help. Again, I suggest checking out a therapist, your therapist, and just have things double checked just to make sure things are running well. This is something that can be really, it can be, if you've got a minor issue with the knee, it can really help. Anyways, that's my quick knee pain relief tip for you. Remember, go visit vprc.ca. That's our pain relief fitness site. We have two sites. ventepainrelief.com is our clinic website, and this one that I'm suggesting has little tips for you to manage your pain, particularly for those of you guys that are very active, that are at the gym, running, so on and so forth, because it'll help manage some of the issues you might have. Anyways, my name is Alfie Vente. Check you guys out later. Take care.